Hi everyone, welcome back. If you do not know, my name is Devin. Here on my channel I cover all things beauty. That includes makeup, fragrance, and designer here and there. If you think that is something you'll be interested in, then I hope you stay and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell to be notified every week when I upload. And in today's video, we have another balling on a budget type of luxury video for you guys. So if you guys are interested and want to see what I recently got, then just keep watching today's videos. As you can see, I have a Louis Vuitton unboxing. Now I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys know that the packaging is definitely off as far as the color, but the box is actually really nice. Sometimes they show you on the side what the product is, but I'm not gonna show you guys just yet. But yeah, the box itself is not a bad box. I just don't like the color of it because it's not quite right. Inside the box, it comes with all the little things, the paperwork and all of that. I usually get rid of that. It also came with some sort of dust bag, which we'll get into a little bit later, but this is what the dust bag looks like. I'll talk to you guys later about that. So yeah, so the bag I got is actually the Alma BB, but it's in the Epi leather, and it looks like this. This is what it looks like. It also came with the little tab that comes on the bag, as well as a strap that comes with the bag, as well as a lock. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and be 100 because I can't be anything but that with you guys. This was not my best purchase ever. Now granted, I didn't purchase this, but this is not the best company I've ever worked with. I've worked with about 4 or 5 different companies at this point, and this probably is somewhere about around the bottom of the companies. Starting with, like I said, the box is off. The dust bag, I don't even understand, like what were they thinking? This doesn't look like a Louis Vuitton dust bag, as well as where's the drawstring, where's the closure, that like if it was a flap, where's the flap? Like this was, to me, is just very cheaply made. I'm not here for it. Okay, now I'm looking at the strap on this bag, you guys. The strap is a little cheaply made as well. Like, I don't know, this was a company that kept reaching out to me, and they really were like pushing for me to do the video. And originally I wasn't going to do it at all, because usually if I am not feeling it 100%, I won't do a video on it. And that's kind of how I was feeling, but I didn't want them to think that I just took their bag and ran or whatever. So I'm gonna let you guys know how I feel about it. So yeah, like I said, this is it's giving a little plasticky, a little cheaply made. I'm not gonna lie, when I opened this bag, I automatically was like, I'm giving that to my daughter. Like, it's just a bag that I don't feel would be worth my money. Like, I would not purchase this bag. It's not the best quality. To me, the sizing looks a little bit off. Now, I have never seen a mini, like the Alma BB, like the mini one, because that's what I wanted, the small one. But I don't know if it's actually this tiny or what. I have no idea. I have always wanted a Alma BB, but this just was not what I was, envisioning from what the pictures look like. This also is giving really cheap. It has scuff marks on it. It's just, it's not giving. So yeah, it does have the Louis Vuitton in here. It has a little bit of a pocket here. The inside is like a nice cloth material, and it also has that overseas smell, if you know what I mean. I have only had one other company that I have worked with that has like the little bit of an odor in their bags, and usually it's not a problem. I'll let it air out and then it'll be fine. Okay, so first of all, I don't know if you can tell, but right here on this strap, it's like, I don't know if that's part of the leather that got stuck here or whatever. Can you see it? It's like a little black part right here. Like, why is that there? Like, the quality is not it's not qualitying the way that, you know, most of my bags that I get are. So I don't know, you guys, like, I really honestly probably would not recommend this bag. I'll say that. I love to give companies at least 2 good chances to see the way the bag smells, the way it feels, the leather and all of that, what it looks like, just everything. And honestly, this, it's not. The stitching is a little weird around here. I don't know if it's supposed to be double stitched like that. It might be supposed to be double stitched like that. But yeah, this was a huge disappointment. I'm not even gonna lie. And I was really excited to, you know, get this bag and see what it's like, because I do enjoy my designer replica bags. I'm not even gonna lie to you. At first, you know, a while ago I was against that type of stuff, but since it's been sent to me, like, I like the quality of usually majority of the bags that I get, but this one just kind of disappointed all the way around. So yeah, I probably would see if they can send me something else eventually and then judge them by that kind of quality. But as far as this bag, I don't know, it just looks really off to me. This is by far my least favorite bag, and I'm going to give this to my daughter. I'm not gonna wear it. I'm just not gonna wear it. I don't like it, you guys. I don't. So it's very, very disappointing. I have had this bag for a while, and like I said, I was really debating on just like not doing this at all, but they kept reaching out and asking me about it, so give them my opinion. But yeah, it's probably not what they were looking for. So I'm so sorry to the company that reached out to me. I will still have, you know, everything linked in the description box if you guys want to check out this company and look for different bags. But I wouldn't recommend the Alma Mini and the Epi leather. Like, I wouldn't recommend it because it's giving pleather. Okay, it's giving pleather. I don't like that. So yeah, guys, that is it. That's my short video. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye.